So next step is to turn on the code blocks, the software. You can press Windows button and type CODE. It will directly bring you a code blocks app over here and just start that app. Okay, it will show you code blocks 20.03 or whatever performs you have. Now this particular software is an open source platform. It is not only limited to C programming. You can write multiple programming on a same software IDE. And now once you open, you will see this kind of window. So now you have to click on create new project over here, and it will show you this particular window. Here you have to click on files. Next step, click on C++ source and then click on go. Once you do that, it will bring you to this particular menu. So let me do that for you now. So go to the create new project, click on file, click on C++ source and then click on go. Okay, now we are into this particular window. Click next and then select C instead of C++. Click next and then it will ask you for a file name. You click on browse, select particular file name. Now remember, when you are giving a file name, please remember these instructions. This is very important. As a computer engineer, you should learn this thing and remember for lifetime. Never start your program with a number. Okay, so don't name your program as 9 cats, okay, or 5 dogs or anything like that. Don't start your program with number. Don't give a name to your program with a standard name like sine, cos. Okay, don't give any such name. Print, if, sine, cos. These are the standard words into the programming language which we don't use. You can give your name. Mostly your name is not a standard name. So you can write Ninad. You can write Ninad1. Okay, you can write NI1NAD. So number and name mixture is allowed, but don't start with the number. Secondly, don't give any name which is a standard name. Third thing is don't introduce any space bars like one life, one space life dot C. Don't give name like that. Don't add any spaces into your name. You can write one underscore life. Underscore is allowed, not the space bar. And if possible, keep the name of the program less than 11 character. If possible, uh, that will make your program ready to run even on a Windows 95, which was the first Windows operating system, till Windows 10, all the versions. So try to keep your program name shorter, less than 11 character. So if all these things are clear with you, I have written this particular program as test one, I guess, and then it will show you, okay, I have made it as test.c, and then finally click OK. You will come to your first program. Okay, so let's do that. I will do that with you. I will click on next. I will select C. I will click on next. Then I will browse for the file name. So here there are some programs already there. So I will say test C. Okay, test maybe C3. That is your batch name. Dot C. Now dot C will automatically be taken up if you don't write. If you want to write, you can, and then click save. Okay, and then do not click on anything else, just click finish, and then you should see something like this. This is where you are going to write your first program. Okay, now the first program written over here says hash include stdio.h, then hash include conio.h, then hash include stdlib.h, and then void main bracket open bracket close curly bracket printf hello world return 0 curly bracket close. And once you run this program, you should see output window generated, which is a DOS like window saying hello world to you. Okay. I will not go into the details of this program since we have not started with the C programming itself, but just for a practice, you can write this particular code. I will stop recording now. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. You have to write this particular code and bring hello world onto your screens. Okay.